Hi students, good morning to all. Hope you all are staying safe at home by the God's grace. Fine. Today we are going to learn about the exercise 1.6 and we are going to solve all the problems under the challenge problems. Clear? Fine. Come, let's start. Yes, exercise 1.6 challenge problems. Now, the 14th question. An integer divided by 7 gives a result minus 3. What is that integer? Okay, so you know what are the integers. Fine. So here they are talking about the integers. An integer, there is an integer which is divided by 7. When you divide that integer by 7, you get a result of minus 3. Okay, now they are asking us what is that integer. Okay, this integer we need to find. So solution. So we don't know which number is that. That is which integer is that, isn't it? Therefore, we are going to mention that let the integer be x. X is nothing but unknown. Okay, fine. From the question we found that x divided by 7. X is nothing but an integer. An integer divided by 7, it is given in the statement. So x by 7 is equal to, as the result they have given in the question as minus 3, right? So x by 7 is equal to minus 3. Now take this 7 to the other side. You know that when a number is in the left hand side and moving to the right hand side, if it is in multiplication it becomes division, or if it is in division it goes to the other side as multiplication. Here 7 is in the division part, so we are going to take it to the other side. So when you take it to the other side, it becomes x is equal to minus 3 into 7. So as we all know that multiplication of integer operation is minus into plus becomes minus, and we know 7 into 3 is 21. Therefore x is equal to minus 21. Thus, we are clear that thus the integer is minus 21. So, when you have an integer minus 21, when you divide it by 7, you will be getting the answer as minus 3. Clear? Fine. Next, we will move on to the question number 15. Okay, question number 15 goes in this way. Replace the question mark with suitable integer in the equation. Okay, this is the equation, and the equation is 72 plus minus 5 minus the box is nothing but the question mark which is unknown is equal to 72. Clear? So, we need to find what is the value comes here so that this equation will gives you the answer 72. Clear? Okay, let's see the solution. Yes, 72 minus 5 minus the unknown is equal to 72. So, clear? You can do one thing. If you want to solve easily, you can strike it off 72 and 72 in the opposite, different sides, left hand side as well as in the right hand side, because if you take the 72 to the other side, it becomes minus 72. So 72 minus 72 is 0. So automatically in further classes, that is in future, in the highest classes, you can directly strike out the number which is in the left hand side, right hand side with the same sign and same number. Clear? So not a problem. We'll go here. Solution: 72 plus minus 5 minus unknown is equal to 72, isn't it? So what we have to do is have the unknown at one part and all the known at one part. Okay. So now 72 as it is, minus 5 as it is. Now this minus question mark is taken to the other side. It becomes 72 plus question mark. Clear? Question mark is nothing but the unknown. Clear? Now 72 minus 72. How this minus 72 came? We took this 72 to the other side. So plus 72, when it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 72. So now you should be clear that 72 minus 72 becomes 0. Therefore, you can cancel plus 72 and minus 72. So now we have minus 5, which is nothing but which is equal to the question mark. Therefore, we found that the question mark which question given in the question is equal to minus 5. Clear? Yes. 16th question. Can you give 10 pairs of single digit integers whose sum is 0? Okay, pair is nothing but connecting two numbers together in a set. Okay, so we are going to make two different numbers, that to a single digit number, that is nothing but the number is nothing but the integers, right? When you add those two integers, you want to get the answer as 0. This implies a plus b should equal to 0. So we have to find what are those two integers in a pair, so that that pair will make the sum of the integers as 0, right? Solution. So when you see the solution, I have taken 10 pairs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 pairs are here. So this is one integer, this is one integer. The condition is sum should be equal to 0. Therefore I have to add it. When I add it, I want to get the answer as 0. So automatically we know that minus 1 plus 1 both are integers. When you add same numbers with different signs, it is equal to 0, isn't it? Fine. So I am very easy. I am taking that minus 1 comma plus 1, minus 2 comma plus 2, minus 3 comma plus 3, minus 4 comma plus 4, minus 5 comma plus 5, minus 6 comma plus 6, minus 7 comma plus 7, minus 8 comma plus 8, minus 9 comma plus 9, 0 comma 0, because 0 is also an integer. So 0 comma 0 also gives you 0. Okay, both these are integers. They never given that it should not repeat, so no problem. When you add 0 comma 0, it becomes 0. Now you should be clear that since how we are saying these are the pairs of integer which makes the sum as 0, since minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to, so all together is equal to, what is the answer? 0. Thus these are the 10 pairs of single digit integers whose sum is 0. Clear? So very easy question. I am sure that you won't have any doubts. Okay, fine. Shall we move to the 17th question? Yes. 17th question. If p is equal to minus 15 and q is equal to 5, find t minus q divided by p plus q. Okay, so in the question they have given p is equal to, the value of p is minus 15 and the value of q is equal to 15. Now we want to find this mathematical expansion. Okay, sorry, expression. Right, solution. P minus q divided by p plus q is equal to, substitute the value of p and q here. So p value is minus 15 and q value is 5. So instead of p we have written as minus 15, instead of q we have written 5, and the operation is as it is. Divided by, again p is minus 15, the operation is plus, and here the value of q is 5. Okay, now both the signs are equal, so we have to add it. 15 plus 5 is 20 and put the same sign, right? Division is the operation, and here both the signs are different, so subtract and put the biggest number, greater number sign. So 15 minus 5 is 10, the biggest number sign is minus, so we had as it is. So minus 20 divided by minus 10 as a mathematical expression, minus 20 by minus 10. And also in previous exercise we have learned that division of integer sign operation, if both the numerator as well as the denominator has the same sign, then the answer should be a plus. So minus divided by minus becomes plus. Okay, 20 divided by 10, 0 0 cancel, 2 is the answer. Therefore the answer for the expression p minus q divided by p plus q is equal to plus 2. Clear? Now we'll move on to the 18th question. Okay, 18th question. If the letters in the English alphabet A to M represent the number from 1 to 13 respectively, and N represents 0, and the letters O to Z correspond from minus 1 to minus 12, find the sum of integers for the names given below. Okay, we know that the English alphabets, we have 26 alphabets. In that 26 alphabets, A to M, they are going to assign the value as 1 to 13 respectively, means the first alphabets carry the first number, second alphabet carries the second number, third alphabet third number, so it goes on like that. Okay, with the order. And here N is represented as 0. For A to M we are giving the number 1 to 13, but for N they are representing it with 0, and the letters from O to Z has been represented as minus 1 to minus 12. Okay, that too respectively. O carries minus 1, then O P carries minus 2 corresponding to that order. Okay, find the sum of integers. Now we are going to find the sum of the integer for the names which has been given below. Clear? So in the question they have given an example math. Math is the name and we have to sum this integers. They have given sum 13 plus 1 plus minus 6 plus 8 is equal to 16. You should be clear that how it came, each letter carries a number. Okay, so solution, as they said, we are going to assign numbers for the given alphabets. As they said A to M, they said 1 to 13 should be assigned. So we assigned A as 1, B as 2 and goes on. The same way they have represented in the question that N should be assigned as 0 and the letter alphabets from O to Z should be proceed with minus 1 till minus 12. Isn't it? Now you will be clear with the content which has been given in the example. Okay, M, find the M value, it is 13. That's why they have taken it as 13. And A, the number is 1, therefore taken it as 1. And T is nothing but minus 6, therefore they have taken it as minus 6. And H is nothing but 8. When you check it off, yes, it is 8. So when you calculate, when you add all these integers, we will be getting the answer as 16. This is the way which you are going to use for the given questions below. So first question, they have asked that find the sum of the integer for your name. Okay, so what is my name? My name is Sumati. So I am going to find the sum of the integers for the name Sumati. Okay, so S represent, as we can check it off here in the question, they have assigned the value for each alphabet. So we have marked it as a table form, table of column. Okay, here S represent minus 5. Okay, S represent minus 5. Okay, so instead of S I have written it as minus 5, and for U they have given it as minus 7. So I represented here with minus 7. Again, in M is represented by 13, so I have written 13 here. A is represented with 1, so 1 here. And T is represented by minus 6, and H is represented by 8, and I is represented by 9. Now we'll go for the sum of the integers. Okay, already in the previous class I have said that if the integers have, if the sum of the integers have same sign, just add it and put the same sign, isn't it? Before that, when both the signs are near, we have to go for the multiplication of integer sign operation. So minus 5 as it is, plus into minus minus 7, plus 13, plus 1, plus into minus minus 6, plus 8, plus 9. Now when you check it off, minus 5, minus 7 and minus 6 has the same operation. So minus 5, minus 7, minus 6. If same operation is there, that is if same sign is there, add all the numbers. So 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18 and put the same sign. Therefore it becomes minus 18 here. Next when you check it off, 13, 1, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 4, it is 22, 22 plus 9, it is 31. So we got the answer as 31. So now both the signs are different. So what we have to do? We have to subtract. Okay, when we subtract 31 and 18, we are getting the value as 13. Okay, so plus 13, since the bigger number has the sign as plus, therefore the answer is plus 13. This is the sum of the integer of the word Sumati. Okay, next they have given the word success. When you find for the word success, S minus 5, U minus 7, C it is 3, C it is 3, and E it is plus 5, and S it has minus 5, and S it has minus 5. So as I said, go for the multiplication of integers sign operation. So plus into minus minus here, as well as plus into minus minus here, and plus into minus minus here. Now plus 5 minus 5 automatically gives 0, therefore we cancelled it. So when you go for the same sign numbers, add it, 5 plus 7, it is 12, 12 plus 5, it is 17. So same sign, minus 17, 3 plus 3 is 6. When you subtract this, we will be getting 11, and biggest number sign is minus. So sum of the integer of the word success is minus 11. Clear? Thank you students. Have a nice day. God bless you.